Hi family, welcome back. Say bye bye to tomato stew. Tomato is very expensive. Come, let me teach you how to make native ofaku stew. Go enjoy your rice. Yes. Honestly, this is very delicious if you know how to prepare it well. To get it done, you have your palm fruit, which you're going to cook until it becomes soft. You pound it in a mortar or whatever means you have. You have a food processor. Then you now take it to extract the juice. Okay, so how I do it is I take it portion by portion and I add some water. It's best to use warm water so that the oil and everything can come out at once and extract it bit by bit. So this is everything I have. Yes, while doing that, don't add too much water so your stew will not be too watery. Okay, now cover it and allow it to boil, but then you have to be careful so that this does not start to overflow. Yeah, you're meant to cook it until this foamy part comes down and becomes turned to oil. You can add spoon to not let it flow out, and here it is. We've cooked it for a while, I think about 20 minutes on a medium heat, and here we have, you can see it has come down. But then we'll have to prepare our meat, season with some garlic, some onions, and some fenugreek and fennel seed powder and thyme. We'll cook it while we are boiling our meat here. As you can see, it is gradually, that foamy part has actually come down and it is gradually turning to oil. That is the oil this stew is going to have. All right, it's time to add our ingredients. First of all, I'll go ahead with some stockfish and transfer the meat and the meat stock. Please, when steaming your meat, add a little bit of water so your stew doesn't become watery. Okay, we're adding the ingredients. This is fresh pepper, have some onions, and here is efuru, which you're going to toast to bring out the aroma. Toast, blend it, and here I'm adding it. This is a native spicy ogirobe, or you can use dawa, whichever one that is accessible. You have some salt, Cameroon pepper. I also added off camera, added some curry, thyme, fennel seed, and fenugreek seed powder, all blended together. Give it a stir and cover my stew, allow it to cook for more 5 minutes so that ingredients will come together. And lastly, I'm adding some crayfish. Yeah, this stew needs lots of crayfish. If you have crayfish, just add as many as possible, as much as possible. And this is scent leaf. This is a game changer for this soup. There is no ofaku without scent leaf, but then I'll first of all add the scent leaf, give it a stir, lower the heat, and cook it for about 30 seconds before I go ahead to add the vegetable. This will help to bring out the aroma of the scent leaf very well. Then I'll go ahead and add the vegetable. That is ugu. Ugu cooks faster. So once I add the ugu, stir my stew. 30 seconds, my stew is ready. Look at it. Don't you want to come and have a taste of it? All right, and of course, to enjoy ofaku, I always have to go with rice and beans. Yeah, rice and beans with ofaku is a delicacy. It's so nice. You're gonna try it.